Today we are installing radiator guards, so you gotta also from Manny Moto Million. I got radiator guard, oil cooler guard from Diece83. They look pretty good, weren't too expensive. Alright, today we are installing radiator guards. So you gotta remove this bolt right here, lift up on there, remove this one, pull it off down there, and then the one on the oil cooler right here. It's a small one, like this. You gotta remove. It's 8mm. You got 4mm Allen, 3mm Allen to remove. Same thing on the other side. You got this one. You're gonna pull up on this part to release the radiator. This one, and then the same 4mm one or 8mm nut on there, and now you got enough play in here to slide your radiator guard in. And here is the Diece83 kit. It's an oil cooler, a radiator cover, zip ties for mounting, and then you cut these strips into 10mm pieces and you put it along the back just to help with vibration when so it doesn't rattle in here. So now I'm gonna cut these and put them on the back of here, and then we'll get to installing. Alright, as you see now, I got all the foam pieces stuck on the back of it. They're cut to, like, it says 10mm square rectangles. Stick it on the back of that one and the oil cooler. Alright, there you have it. Radiator guard installed. That was difficult. Took about an hour and a half. So to reiterate, you got this one. This is a little bolt down here. On each side, you got the same ones up here behind this fairing. 4mm, 4mm, 8mm, and then you pull off down at the bottom. You got a little clip down there, pull off. Then once you do that, you got enough room to slide it up in underneath. It came with zip ties to mount it, but this thing's not going anywhere. With the foam pieces, it was difficult just to screw it back in anyway, so it's pretty tight in there. I don't see it going anywhere. Like I said, it took about an hour to do. Once you get all the fairings off, all you need is 4mm, 8mm, and that's it. I mean, it's not too terrible, but it is a pain. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Don't mind this, I know I gotta drain it.